Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to use non-breaking hyphen in Elementor and CSS. I will start by using a heading widget, although you can use text editor widget, and I will type here, for example, we are working with use cases here. Now you can see that I'm using a hyphen here and I do not want it to break the line. So I will switch over to mobile view to show this and our result. And quickly in the Style tab, I will just turn this text into black. Then before the word use cases, because that's the word that's constructed, that's using the hyphen. So before this word, I will type span, style, and then I will write here white space. And I will type no wrap. Then I will close this piece of code. And after use cases, I will also use this closing span tag here. Basically what it is doing is that it is keeping those two words together that are using the hyphen. And that way you have a non-breaking hyphen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe.